Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you saw from the title, today we are going to be making special fried rice. So here are our ingredients. We've got spring onions, carrots, green beans, onions, and we've also got some diced chicken breast and some bacon and also some egg. For spices, we're going to use soy sauce, garlic salt, aroma, as you guys know, and some salt. So here I'm going to be heating up my pan and I'm going to be pouring a little bit of oil in there. What I do is I scramble my egg first before I start with the fried rice. So I'm going to be using 4 medium-sized eggs, and then I'm gonna scramble it all up and put it aside, and then I will start making my fried rice. So for my fried rice, I'm going to be putting a little bit of oil in my pan. I'm using sunflower oil, but you could use any oil of your choice. And then I'm gonna put some onions in there and wait for it to be fried and for it to be like golden brown. And then I'm gonna put in my chicken and bacon, and then I'm gonna cook that as well. But before that, I'm gonna be seasoning it, and for seasoning I'm going to be using onion, salt and aromat, just a little bit, about, let's say, 1 teaspoon each. And then after that I'm gonna leave it to cook, and then I'll start off by putting the rest of my ingredients in there. So after about 10 minutes of cooking the chicken and bacon, it's ready, and I'm now going to be putting in my carrots and my green beans, and I'm going to cook them for another 5 minutes. So after about 5 minutes, I'm gonna put in some chili and garlic flakes. This is just to give it a bit more flavor. And then I'm gonna put in my scrambled eggs and just cook that for another 2 minutes, and then it will be ready for me to then put in my rice. So now it's time to put in my rice. I cooked 4 cups of rice, guys, but I'm not going to be using all of it. I'm just going to use about half of the rice that I cooked, and then yeah, I'm going to just mix that through. So now I'm going to be putting in some soy sauce. I'm using the light one, so I'm just going to put about 2 tablespoons in there, and then I'm going to mix that all up, make sure that the rice is covered in all the sauce and vegetables, and then I'm going to leave it to cook for a further 5 to 10 minutes. And after that, I'm going to garnish it with the spring onion, and yeah, our fried rice will be ready. Yeah guys, so the fried rice is done. I'm going to be dishing this out. It smells absolutely amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. So here I'm going to be eating it with some delicious salt and pepper chicken wings. If you guys want to know how I made this chicken wings, please watch my previous video. Thank you so much once again, and thank you to all my new subscribers. I see you all. Thank you for subscribing. Make sure you share with all your friends and family. See you in my next video. Bye.